Hello girls, welcome back to our lesson. We are still in Module 7, Out and About. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to tell time correctly. Do you still remember how to tell time? We have learned this in Module 1. Let's do a quick recap. Can you draw the hands on the clock? We have 6 o'clock, 2:30, and 9:45. Oh, you can do that? That's great. Let's see if you get them correct. 6 o'clock, the hour hand will be at 6, and the minute hand, the longer hand, will be pointing at 12. For 2:30, we know that half means the minute hand will be pointing at 6, while the hour hand will be pointing at 2. 9:45, we know that quarter means half of half, so the minute hand will be pointing at either 3 or 9. Let's look at the description again. It says 9:45, meaning there's a quarter more to 10 o'clock. From this, we know that the long minute hand will be pointing at 9. The short hour hand will be pointing at not 10, but at 9. This is because there's a quarter more to 10 o'clock. It is not yet 10 o'clock. Let's refresh our memories further. Can you tell what time is it? We will listen to the audio first.
Module 7. Let's play. Vocabulary. It's 2:45. It's 11:15.
Let's look at the green clock on your left. The long minute hand is pointing at 9, so it's a quarter to the next hour. Let's look at the short hour hand. It's almost at 3, so it's 2:45. What about the orange clock on your right? This is a digital clock. It does not have any hour or minute hands. It is showing 11:15. What is 11:15 in words? It means 11:15. Let's do some group work. We will be completing the Telling Time Tasya puzzle. Here are the instructions. Click Join to enter your breakout room. Group leaders will be sharing their screen. If group leader could not share the screen, choose someone in the group to do so. The person sharing screen will have to log into Google Classroom, click on Classwork, look for Group Work, and then click on Telling Time Tasya puzzle. You will see the triangle pieces. Match them correctly. Let me show you an example before you start your discussion. This triangle piece over here is showing a clock face. What time is it? Let me zoom it for you. The long minute hand is at 9, so we know it is a quarter to the next hour. The short hour hand is pointing almost at 4, meaning that it is not yet 4. It's going to be 4. The time is 3:45. In number form, it is 3:45. Your completed puzzle should be in this form, a trapezium. Alright, are you done? Let's check your answer. What time is this? It is very similar to the example from earlier. It is 7:15. And in number form, it is 6:45. What time is this? The long minute hand is pointing at 3, so we know that it is 3:15. Where's the short hour hand? It's also pointing at 3, so it means 3:15. And in number form, it is 3:15. Lastly, what time is this? The long minute hand is pointing at 3, so it means 3:15. The short hour hand is at 8. The answer is 8:15. In number form, it is 8:15. Do you manage to get them all correct? Amazing! Now it's time for individual work. You will be doing this in your journal. Draw the hands on the clock. You have to draw out the clocks in your journal based on the time given. Here is the list of time. You are given 10 minutes to complete your work. Please pause the video till you are done. Alright, are you done? Let's go through your answers. How does 3 o'clock look like? The short hour hand will be at 3 and the long minute hand is at 12. What about 8 o'clock? The short hour hand will be at 8 and the long minute hand is at 12. The same goes for 12 o'clock. The short hour hand will be at 12 and the long minute hand is also at 12. What about 9:30? We know that 9:30 means the long minute hand will be pointing at 6. 9:30, the short hour hand will be at 9. 2:30, the long minute hand is at 6 and the short hour hand is at 2. 6:30, the long minute hand is at 6 and the short hour hand is also at 6. How are you doing so far? Good? That's great. Let's continue. 3:45. 3:45 means the long minute hand is pointing at 9. 3:45, the short hour hand will be pointing at almost 4. Not yet 4, but almost 4. 7:15, the long minute hand is at 9 and the short hour hand is almost at 7. 9:45, the long minute hand is at 9 and the short hour hand is at almost 10. Do you get them correct? Good job! 8:15. 8:15 means the long minute hand is pointing at 3. 8:15, the short hour hand will be pointing at 8. Exactly 8. 5:15, the long minute hand is at 3 and the short hour hand is at 5. 1:15, the long minute hand is at 3 and the short hour hand is pointing exactly at 1. Do you get them correct? Well done! Now let's listen and read. We will be listening to the audio first. Are you ready to listen? Let's go.
Activity 1. Listen and read. Then play. Use the cutouts on page 131.
What's the time?
It's 4:15.
Where are you?
I'm at the cinema.
All right, repeat after me. What's the time? It's 4:15. Where are you? I'm at the cinema. Let's play a game. Ask and answer. First, you have to pick a door and then answer the questions. Here are all the doors and these are their names. Which door would you like to enter? There's blue crystal door here, brown door, yellow lemon door, boring door, castle door, 3B class door, Princess Aurora's door, the science lab's door, Mr. Tiny's door, Jack-o'-lantern's door, the spaceship door, the fairy door, the elf door, Madam Host's door, this is my door, the dungeon door, the submarine door, the hobbit door, the prison door, 3D class door, and the giant door. Let's enter the hobbit door. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Where are you? I'm at the cinema. Let's choose another door. How about the giant door? Let's go. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. Where are you? I'm at the... What is this place? There's a book on top. This is the library. I'm at the library. Let's choose another door. How about 3T class door? Let's go. What time is it? It is 12:30. How do you say that in words? In words, this is 12:30. Where are you? I'm at the restaurant. Or you can say I'm at the burger shop. Finally, for your homework, you will download this worksheet from Google Classroom. What time is it? Write in words. Look at the clock faces and write the time in words. Words meaning you have to use half past, quarter to, quarter past, and o'clock. Once you're done, remember to upload your work back into Google Classroom and then click on Turn In. That's all for now. I will see you again in our next lesson. Bye-bye.